This is how small the Wakasasa River is once you start getting up towards Bronson off of 24. It's paddleable. You might have to portage over some logs. Real pretty scenery. A little tough to get through, but not too hard. So that's going west towards Cedar Key. That's going east towards Bronson. You can pull off right here on this little road. Park back there. Looks like there's someone back there already. This is a cool little spot. Easy to get to. Easy to park. I'm guessing he's paddling. Somewhere down there. Yeah, you can get through here in a kayak. You just got to be creative. A little spot to just stop and fish. That heads south. The other way is north. That's it. Very little flow underneath the bridge.